You'll find you a ride that's just right at Southwest Auto Sales, day or night. Visit southwestautosales.com. It's easy as can be. Find your perfect car and come visit us. You'll see. Buy our lot or visit online too. Southwest Auto Sales. We're here to help you.
All right, let's jump right into the ultimate no-nonsense annual maintenance guide for your car. Ready?
So we gotta ask, what's the actual real-world cost of skipping your car's yearly upkeep? Brought to you by Southwest Auto Sales on Harrisburg Pike, Grove City. Visit southwestautosales.com. They sell, you maintain. Now, professional inspection forms, like this government checklist, can honestly look totally overwhelming, right? But don't panic. We're gonna break this whole shebang down into a super simple, system-by-system checklist. Starting under the hood, every year, make sure your coolant, transmission, brake, and power steering fluids are topped off. Just keep 12,000 miles in mind. That's the typical yearly mileage that triggers these major fluid reviews. Next, let that engine breathe. Swap out the air filter and test your AC performance every single year. You'll also want a quick battery load test. It basically checks if your battery is nearing an unexpected failure. Seriously, once your battery hits 3 years old, this quick test becomes a crucial, must-do annual requirement. Moving down to the foundation, your yearly check absolutely must include tire rotation, alignment, brakes, and suspension. For safety's sake, most mechanics strongly recommend replacing those brake pads once they hit 4 millimeters thick. And hey, even if you barely drive, rubber steering and suspension parts still deteriorate just from getting older. Now, rotating tires evens out the tread wear, while a solid alignment keeps your car tracking perfectly straight. Let's talk comfort and visibility. Every year, change those wiper blades, swap the cabin filter, and check your lights. A gross, dirty cabin filter completely ruins your interior air quality. Make sure to swap it every 12 months. Experts actually say that comprehensive vehicle service is one of the single best returns in all of personal finance. Here's exactly why. A simple fluid change is cheap, right? But a total transmission repair will cost you thousands. Same goes for the timing belt. Replacing it early prevents catastrophic engine failure that could cost over $8,000. So if you take away anything today, screenshot this ultimate one-year maintenance summary right now. Go ahead. Seriously, take control of your investment. Without these basic annual checks, are you driving a ticking time bomb?
Celebrate America's 250th anniversary by treating yourself to something special. Visit Southwest Auto Sales and drive away in this impressive 2019 black Chevrolet Tahoe Sport Utility 4-wheel drive for only $21,150. This powerful SUV has a 5.3-liter V8 engine and 4-wheel drive capability, making it perfect for handling any adventure. Inside, you'll find a comfortable and spacious interior, complete with power seats, cruise control, and more. The exterior features sleek black paint and rugged design, along with alloy wheels and run-flat tires for added versatility. And with Southwest Auto Sales' 5-year maintenance plan, you'll enjoy significant savings on routine maintenance not covered by warranty, including oil changes, wheel and tire alignment, and more. Visit us today to take advantage of this amazing opportunity and drive away in your 2019 black Chevrolet Tahoe Sport Utility.